Kayo Marie Sara, with high honors, Work Immersion Award.
Aruga Ashley Subi, with honors.
Bigat Angeline Ligante, with honors, Work Immersion Award.
Kabasag Hanamay Rosalem, with honors, work awarding.
Rivaldo Ricamay Royo, with honors, Work Immersion Award.
Dr. Nero Aliza Angela Avila, with honors.
Rivera Lorraine Tambago, with honors, Work Immersion Award.
Gomez Ricamay Lorio, with honors.
Samson Mecca Villanuel, with high honors, Work Immersion Award.
Ilano Mary Pauline Ibanez, with honors.
Tapangot Jessica Samantha Masamo, with honors, Work Immersion Award.
Lianita Valerie Chor Cervantes.
Tambago Daniel Maricet de la Peña, Work Immersion Award.
Masamot Janine May Aparejado, with honors.
Villaflores Gillian Cervantes, with high honors and other special awards.
Mingoy Jocelyn Pilutin, with honors.
Villaflores Zayin Duano, with high honors and other special awards.
Monton Promise Pella, with honors. Leadership Award.
Opinio Ricamay Alfonso.
Apolidor Clarence Marioles, with honors.
Marion Joan Erica Altiso, with honors.
Arididon Vince Leon Perez, with honors.
Ramirez Sofia Brion, with honors.
Bangalisan John Reynold de los Santos, with honors. Work Immersion Awarding.
Ripangkol Maria Angeline Fe Gonzalez, with honors.
Bonga Reinhard Cantuba, with honors.
Santos Janel Joy Altaneros, with honors, Leadership Award.
Cortez Stephen Cornell, with honors.
Singkaon Ana May Mamuban, Work Immersion Award.
Jesus Christian James Zapatos, with honors.
Tabaco Jerica Miles Masamo.
De La Rosa French Andre Fernandez, with honors.
Ilaran Mary Grace Alapsante, with honors.
Gallardo Raymond James Espaldon, with honors.
Academic Track, General Academics Grant, Grade 12 College, Advisor, Joby R. Noiles, Abayon Aldre Luis Aguirre, with honors.
Ferdinand Raymond Jocon, with honors.
Abayon TJ Dunzon, with honors.